Where are we going, Nak?
In the airport.
Airport. Who are we picking?
Lolo.
Yeah, what's Lolo's name?
What's his name, Mama?
Lolo, Jeff.
Lolo dress.
Jeff.
Jeff.
That's right. Give Lolo a cuddle. Come on.
Say hello. Say hello.
Is this stone or something? Why is it too heavy?
Lolo.
Oh. Oh. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
Say happy Friday, everyone.
Happy Friday, Aman. That's the moon,
It is
Mama.
Friday now, guys, and
It's
it's
a moon,
currently
it's
4
a
o'clock
moon,
ng
Mama.
hapon.
That's the moon.
There's a moon, is there? Wow. 4 o'clock ng hapon, guys, and nagre-ready kami ngayon kasi who's coming na? Who's coming?
Wawa.
Who? Here. Tell tita and tito who's coming. Who's coming?
Tita.
Tita?
Yes.
No. Lolo.
Lolo.
Jeff.
Jeff.
Yay! So, yung daddy ni Daddy Mike ay darating this afternoon, guys, from Darwin. Kaya, nagre-ready kami kasi pipick upin namin siya sa airport. It will be very, very exciting, guys. Kasi, I think the last time na nakita namin siya, pumunta siya dito ng Melbourne. It was year 2019, before the COVID thing happened, guys. And, yeah, it would be good ngayon na si Paris, malalaro na niya kasi malaki na si Baby Paris. Guys, last time he was here, mukhang hindi pa yata nagsasalita si Baby Paris noon. So, very, very, very exciting, guys. Ayan, so nakabihis na ang whole family. Yung sasakyan pala natin ay inon ko na kasi, tingnan nyo, oh, very mainit sa labas today. Kaya inon ko yung air conditioner bago kami umalis. And nakapaglinis-linis na rin kami dito sa bahay para naman pagdating ng kanyang daddy ay hindi masyadong bulingit ang ating bahay. Ayan. So we're now in the car now, guys. It's currently 4:20. Where are we going, Nak?
In the airport.
Airport. Who are we picking? Who? Lolo.
Lolo.
Yeah, what's Lolo's name?
What's his name, Mama?
Lolo, Jeff.
Lolo dress.
Jeff.
Jeff.
That's right. We're gonna go see Lolo. Are you excited?
Yes. I'm sorry.
Very excited. Good girl.
Dad, wanna come too?
Daddy Mike.
Paris, put my phone.
No.
Was she playing it before?
Hey, she don't play.
Balik lang si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi hinahanap niya yung phone niya. Nilaruan kasi ni Paris kanina. Did you play Daddy's phone before, Nak?
Yes.
Ayan, tapos magta-top up pala tayo. Ayan, yung ating account is link kasi on our way to the airport, kailangan naming dumaan sa isang tollway. So, kailangan naming magbayad. Bayad pa more. It's very good kasi very, ano lang siya, convenient kasi you can do everything on the phone. What's wrong, my love?
Daddy.
You want Daddy? Your eyes very sleepy, nako. You gotta go sleep now, okay?
No, no, no. I'm done, Mama. I'm not sleeping.
You don't wanna sleep?
I'm just going to the airport.
Oh, you wanna go to the airport? Ayaw niyang matulog, guys, kaya punta na siya ng airport. But I think she's gonna sleep on our way there kasi hindi siya nag-nap today. Ang kanyang mata ay sobra talaga.
I'm not sleeping.
You're not sleeping? Okay.
Because it's sunny.
What is it now?
Because it's sunny, Mama.
Because it's sunny, that's why you're not sleeping?
Yes.
Okay, tingnan nyo ang kanyang mata, guys. Pahilo-hiloy sa mata. Asa naman imong daddy, nak? Oh, shush, call daddy.
Daddy!
Come now.
Come now.
Hi guys! So it's now 5:30. Okay pa pala hindi mag-mask. It's now 5:30 and kakarating lang namin dito sa airport. Where are we now?
In the park.
In the airport. Who we gonna pick up?
Tita.
Tito?
Lele.
Lulu. Sana si Tita Meme ang aming pick upin. Anyways, punta na tayo guys. Alis na tayo. Walang masyadong dito guys. Walang masyadong maraming tao ba kasi wala naman maraming mga flights. Mas tayo. Yan. And that's Melbourne Airport. You guys. There. I wish kauwi kami ng Pinas. Two. That's departure, Daddy. So the arrival is going down. I told you where the thing. But we're gonna Paris.
Now we're in the biking.
Ala, ang buhok. Grabe ka gubot.
Let's go.
Ala, you gonna see Lolo like that, huh? Okay, go, Daddy.
What?
Have a look at the hair everywhere.
Mommy, quickly, Lolo, get it.
Mommy fix the hair?
No, this
Let mommy fix your hair.
Okay,
Lolo,
no,
fix your
she's
hair.
fine.
Quickly.
She's fine, she's alright. Come on, let's go.
You want daddy to fix it? You want daddy to hold you?
now may tie my hair.
You wanna tie your hair? Okay. Paris gonna walk? Here. Public pickup. Hold daddy, anak.
Now who's in the
Here's the big sign, guys. Melbourne.
Come on.
Uy, kita ang paa ni Mami. And dyan, guys. So, yung mga tao dyan nagpapapicture. Melbourne. Pag nakarating sila dito. Where? Are you excited to see Lolo, Nak? Whoa!
Come on.
Paris is excited for the presents. You have to hold Daddy, Nak. Hindi siguro namin may papakita yung daddy ni Daddy Mike, guys, no? Kasi nahihiya tayo, di ba? Hindi nga niya siguro alam na nagba-vlog tayo, kaya paano na lang, pasilip-silip na lang tayong ganyan, pero hindi talaga full on na makikita niya siya. Kasi nahihiya ako, guys. Terminal 3, huh?
How is it? Okay. How daddy's hand there?
Yeah, I know. It's very quiet. It looks so different, guys. Guys, super quiet ng airport. Oh my God. Normally, kung walang pandemic, guys. Like, oh my God, there's 5 million people here. Sabi nga Daddy Mark, siguro in 5 million people, 3 million doon ay Pilipino. But now, have a look. It's like a ghost town in here. So quiet. It's very sad, guys. No, what happened ba? Paris holding Daddy. Paris holding Daddy.
I think that's international airport.
Huh? Where's Lolo, Nak? You go see Lolo, Nak? You go give Lolo kado, okay? Give Lolo kado. Here, Daddy. Fantastic arrival.
Yeah, he's outside.
Oh, it's outside. You're gonna give Lolo a kado. Paris to come? You're gonna give Lolo a kado?
Yeah.
Yes, the big one. Big one. There he is. There he is, Lolo is. Come. Go follow Daddy. Huh? Put her down. Put her down. Lolo, cuddle. Let's Lolo. Go. What's that? Give Lolo a cuddle. Come on.
Say hello. Say hi.
Daddy, I love you.
How do you feel about it?
You eat this one now. That one. Time check tayo guys. It's now 8:30 ng gabi. Ayan. Pauwi na kami.
You gonna show Lolo your house?
Wow. What is it, Nak? Lolo, get something. There's nothing in there. Show Tito what you're eating, babe. What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Come on, let's go. Oh, let's bring Lolo's bag. Come. Let's bring Lolo's bag. Oh, it's open. Daddy will carry it. It's heavy. Yeah. Come here. Excited na yan si Para sa kanyang regalo, guys. Kaya tinitingnan niya ang bag. So, ayan guys. Nakauwi na kami ng bahay. And hindi pa pala nakapasok yung daddy ni Daddy Mike dito sa bahay, guys. Doon muna sila sa labas kasi maganda yung araw. And it's a bit warm. Kaya yun, pinapakita muna ni Paris at Daddy Mike yung labas natin. Anyways, it's a good dinner, guys. We had a really good dinner sa Vietnamese restaurant. That's good. She's feeding Santa first. Okay, that's enough. You get presents from Santa. Santa Lolo, here. Open? Open? What is that?
It's a circle.
So heavy?
What is that?
Up and lift! Lift!
Why is it like, is this stone or something? Why is it too heavy? Oh. What is that?
Treasure.
Treasure.
Up and you can put it in here. And then when you fill him up, you can lift.
Here, have a look. We'll have a look what's Lolo got you.
You have to put the treasure in here.
You got treasure. Lolo got you treasure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, you have to put it in here.
Put it in here.
That's for Paris.
Wow, okay. It will take 1 week before she can
Put it in. All of them.
Wow, Paris is rich.
Say thank you.
Hoy, say thank you, Lolo. Ana.
You're welcome. You save up some and you can buy any toy you want.
Wow. What a lucky girl.
Well, I just put it in a bank account. But since I had it,
Yeah.
maybe teacher's bank, you know.
Yeah.
Put all of them in there. And this is for you. But he should know what it is. He painted it.
Wow.
That's what I painted.
Huh?
That's what I painted.
You painted? You painted?
When he was a kid at St. Margaret Mary.
Oh, wow, really?
Probably. What?
Why aren't you showing me?
What's that?
Oh, wow. Oh, well done, Daddy.
What's that?
Did Mike really painted this, Dad? Did Mike really painted this?
That's right, Mommy.
That's right, four.
Wow. Have a look. That's so sweet. Have a look, Mac. Daddy painted this when Daddy was a kid.
Is it a bird?
Yes, I did.
Finish
Wow.
putting this in there.
This is a flamingo.
That's right, Mom.
Treasure.
Yes,
I didn't know you're a painter, Daddy.
I'm not. The funny thing is, we moved to the Northern Territory a year after that, and that's exactly Northern Territory, you know? Right.
And you kept it.
Yeah, of course, it's beautiful.
Wow.
I like it. Still love it.
Daddy the painter.
Paris, put your treasure inside.
Wow. Nice. Daddy, oh, we can put it in the one there. Hang it on the wall. The treasure. Baby's got like the treasure.
Gold ones in there too.
that's pretty close.
Yeah, no, you have to put everything first before you cover it. Wow. That's a lot. That's a lot. You're a lucky girl, Paris.
Now, pushing and one make you coffee first.
You know what color buzzer on? Yeah.
And the coffee.
Okay, you have to put everything there first now before you close it.
Put it all in there.
Wow. How much is that, Anak?
How many lollies? More. Finish.
Okay.
She's gonna say $1.
How many dollars?
$1.
$1.
Oh, okay, no, that's good. Chocolate go. Tiny go there.
Mommy will finish it then.
Get the balloon.
And then oh.
Now get the balloon.
Ang daming pila ni Paris yang. Wow. Are you selling ice cream to Lolo?
Is that Christmas? Thank you for that, eh? You must be a chef. Done.
I'll give it for you $41.
Yeah, the dollars you have to put it in here so it's safe.
You want the rest of $1 my last week.
What are you gonna do with that one? You have to put it in here.
And now that's some last week.
Wow. Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 10:30 ng gabi. Hence, madilim na dito sa kwarto guys. I turned off the light, itong light na to. And ito lang yung naiwan. Can you show tita your medicine? Oh, only one anak. Put the other one back please. Don't be naughty. Only one please. Tomorrow we'll have another one, okay? Ayan, 10:30 na guys. So, ang ating baby girl ay gising na gising pa. And ang mag-ama pala, nanonood sila ng movie, Netflix, doon sa lunchroom. Kaya hinayaan na lang namin doon. Put it back now, please.
No.
Ay, Paris being naughty. You're not gonna get a gift from Santa. Santa's not gonna come.
Santa.
Yeah, go put it back up. Anyways, guys, maraming salamat for watching today's video. Sa mga bago nating subscribers, thank you very much for considering na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'm super happy na we're all growing now and sobrang salamat talaga sa inyong lahat sa suporta na pinapakita nyo sa channel natin. And now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out before natin i-end ang ating vlog. The first shout out goes to... Oh, thank you, Princess. You're such a good girl.
So go with time.
Yeah, come here. Sit here with Mami.
Really?
Shout out to Bem Morales, Cherry May Ungayo. Uy. Come here. Sit down here. Like this. Oh, boy. Cherry May Ungayo, Sally Saminiano, Annabelle Sarino. Shout out to Juvilo Joy Palasan, Emily Reyes Bailon, Rosemary Verzon, Eva Limukon, Christine Namayan, John David Balyada, Luz Macasa, Freddie Martinez Jr. and also to Juna May Martinez and Annabelle Bulan. Shout out to Fe Guarnes. Shout out to Edith Vicentic, Hilaska, Ramli Amber, Joanne Ambe, Maricar Castaneda, Christine Namayan, Cinda Carmelita Alora, Yet Palino, Sally Bareja, Rensgar Garcia, May Gao, Arlene Hover, Rinar May Rica Huerta, and Michi Manalo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Nak, thumbs up, nak. Thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Nak, don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Bye.